Today's tutorial is how to knit this simple ribbed scarf. And if you want to have this nice and beautiful edging, I will also show you how to make it. It's very simple and we are using only one net stitch. To knit this scarf, I'm using size 11 8mm needles, and my yarn is super chunky. It is weight 6 yarn, and I'm using 4 skeins to knit this scarf. The scarf is approximately 9.5 inches wide, and I cast on 27. So leave longer tail and we'll cast on 27 stitches. This is 1, 2, do not make it tight, 3, just like this. And cast on 27, and again the scarf will be approximately 9.5 inches wide. So we'll start knitting, and again this is going to be always net stitch, but to get the edging very nice, we just slip the first stitch on a needle and start knitting one by one. To the end. We insert into the middle. Just like this. And knit to the end, the first row. This is my last stitch. Turn your work. We have yarn on the other side like this. Now insert into that first stitch and remove. Slide the yarn into the other side and start knitting from the middle, just like that. And continue like this until you have the desired length. And again, I'm using 4 skeins of this super chunky yarn, super bulky yarn, and this is actually this is 20% wool and acrylic. And one skein has 170 grams, 106 yards, 97 meters. Super bulky, weight 6, and I'm using 4 skeins to make this scarf. This is very simple for each beginner. It's easy to knit and you get very nice pattern. Just continue like that. And enjoy your knitting. And then at the end, once you finish, I'll show you how to finish the scarf. How to knit the last row. My scarf is now approximately 79 inches long, and I have used 4 skeins of this yarn, and the edging is nice and beautiful, just like this. So that is my last row now, and I used the entire skein, and I have just long tail to finish, just enough to finish this row. And let's finish this scarf. And again, this is going to be the finishing row, the final row. So you have the yarn to the other side, just like this. And now just same as we started, and now we knit and just take this stitch and just do like that. And now we knit the next stitch and grab that first one, knit the next, and we continue just like that. You knit the stitch and then grab that. And it's going to be very nice finishing row. And continue just like that. 2 last stitches, and the last one. Okay, now just pull this. Not much left, and now hide the ends, and this is complete. And again, this is 9.5 inches. It is not stretch 79 long. Very nice and beautiful, and it stretches too. So thank you so much for watching. Please enjoy, and I'll see you next time. Bye bye.